कि ऐसे बहुत सारी गर्ल्स हैं है ना जिनको आज भी 2016 में चीक किसेस बहुत बड़ी बात लगती है इंडिया में. आर यू दैट काइंड ऑफ गर्ल?
No. No.
What if a guy has been your best friend for a couple of years, okay, and then all of a sudden he comes out and he's like, I'm in love with you. What would you do?
I'll freak out. I'll probably punch him.
I would ask him first ki what made you fell in love with me, and then probably I would think ki yes, why not. If I am convinced with his answer, then I would say yes.
This happened with me. I break the friendship.
Depends if I love him back or not.
What is your opinion on sex on the first date?
It's okay. It's fine. I don't mind sex on first date.
So if you like the guy, you will have sex on the first date.
Yeah, depending, he doesn't show any romantic interest in me. If it's just physical, I'll do it.
No, I don't agree with it. I'm not comfortable.
No, big no. You don't know that person. It's a very personal thing, very intimate thing. How can you know?
I don't think there's anything bad in that. If I would be okay, then it's fine.
And what is the best or worst pickup line you have ever gotten?
And I don't listen to pickup lines, sorry. I don't notice them. And they are not my thing. I don't like pickup lines.
तू सोनी थे साढ़े बच्चे भी सोनी. That is the worst one. Best one yet to come.
It'll come from me.
Okay.
If a guy is hitting on you, what is the worst thing that he can do?
Ask me about my exes or ask me for commitment.
Worst thing. As you said, he can ask me for sex. That's the worst thing he can ask for.
If he's hitting on me, that's the worst thing, I guess.
So what is the best thing a guy can do when he's trying to get a date with you?
I'm a simple girl. He can just send me a few roses or some gifts.
Roses are enough for you.
Yeah.
Buy roses pack karwana please.
Best thing he can do is probably first of all gain my trust and be honest with me. That is very important. If he's honest, I'll definitely go.
I am very honest. Would you hit on me?
No, never.
No.
I won't mind.
You don't mind?
Yeah, I won't mind.
My new girlfriend.
I like fair guys. I like fair complexion. So that's that.
वीडियो बंद कर दे तू. तो रवि भैया मेरे को एक ऐसी चीज़ बताओ जो आपने किसी लड़की को बोली हो है ना और वो काम कर गई हो.
आज तक नहीं बोली ऐसी कुछ भी.
तो आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड थी पहले?
गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं.
कभी कोई पसंद आई?
नहीं.
ये क्या?